when people are contemplating like a pivot to privacy or growing into a privacy career, a lot of times they don't actually know what privacy engineers or like people in various non-legal roles do. So there's a lot of ambiguity. There has been attempts to try to, demystify what is a privacy engineer. I believe like IPP published a sort of an infographic that I worked on as part of the IPP Privacy Engineering Board to define that there are different types of people who could call themselves privacy engineers. They're software engineers who are building the tools for, let's say, DSARs or anonymization or PETs. And we have designers and UX experts who are building interfaces which respect privacy, are free of deceptive designs. And then you have architects who are building the infrastructure that supports privacy. So there's a lot of different ways you can be involved in a privacy career which is not legal. There are program managers who are managing large, like enterprise-wide projects to either do some sort of data mapping or do like a GDPR readiness or like a country launch or compliance with like CPRA or some other new law. There is a lot of flexibility, and it depends on like what skill sets you have, what interests you have, that you might be able to find a role in privacy that aligns with what you have and what you want to do. So just like knowing the field better is a good idea, like talking to people who are in this space. I wish there was like some nice flowchart or diagram that shows that these are all the like 10 roles possible, and here are the skill sets needed for each one of them. The other complexity while like transitioning is companies have very lean privacy teams. So you have people who are doing everything. Sometimes the privacy team is a team of one. So you end up, and those are lawyers who end up doing the legal advisory work and also like implementation related, more hands-on things with implementations. I think, Debbie, you're more in that space where you're like leaning into everything. So there is opportunity to do a lot and sort of like grow into something where you have interests. It's just like a very welcoming field, which values diversity, like diversity of thought and background as well.